Thanks, Wilbur. So hey, I'm Mr. Estevez. I'm the AP Physics teacher here at West Shore Junior Senior High School, and I wanted to take a few moments to tell you a little bit about AP Physics. Okay, so let's talk real quick about who should take which AP Physics classes, because there's three, and that's abnormal. So for AP Physics 1, students that do best are usually in pre-calculus. It is an algebra-based course, and so Algebra 2 is the only prerequisite course that students have to take to access the class. But if your child is taking, or if you are taking pre-calculus, you should definitely be in AP Physics 1. There's no reason why you wouldn't be successful in the class. You can take it if you are in college algebra or something like that. It would just be a little bit more challenging for you. Who should take AP Physics 2? Students that take AP Physics 2 should be in pre-calculus. You should not be in any class, math class lower than pre-calculus to take AP Physics 2. You can take AP Physics 2 at the same time as you take AP Physics 1. So it'll serve kind of like a double block, but you will take 2 AP exams and you'll get double the college credit for it if you take both AP Physics 1 and AP Physics 2 at the same time. Finally, AP Physics C. AP Physics C is actually, again, 2 courses in one. And we hold AP Physics C during one class period. You need to have taken or be enrolled in Calculus AB, and you must have taken the AP Physics 1 and the AP Physics 2 courses in order to be successful in that class. So you're probably wondering what we do in AP Physics as far as classwork and homework. With regards to homework, I usually make assignments due at the end of a week or several days in advance. And then you can choose to do your homework all in one dose or a little bit at a time. And that's kind of up to you. Our intensive practice, we usually have intensive practice, several practice exams before the real exam. And that's usually when most students are focused the most. And it's by design. I want you to be focused. I want you to have homework the several days leading up to an exam so that your exam performance magically increases. As far as content that we cover in class, we do follow the AP curriculum. We follow it really well, and your student or you will be very, very well prepared for the AP exams in May. What do we do as far as labs and such? Well, as far as labs and such, you saw Wilbur previously. Wilbur is an AP Physics 1 lab. They'll find the tension in the string, the period of Wilbur's motion, so how long it takes to go around in one full circle, and Wilbur's tangential velocity, so the speed of Wilbur as it goes around in that circle. And they'll be able to do all of that stuff with a meter stick and a timer, and that's all they'll be able to use. So it's kind of cool. They'll have a good time doing that, and pigs flying in the classroom is always a good thing. One example in AP Physics C that the kids do, they design, build, and test boats, and they design and build them to win a tug-of-war battle between them and their peers. Basically, you can think of a gutter. We have a gutter in the classroom, put 2 boats in the gutter, attach them with a string. Whoever wins the tug-of-war wins. And so they get to practice a whole bunch of design and engineering aspects of physics in the building and design of the boat. It has to be self-powered, self-floating, the whole 9 yards has to be all them. They have to do it from scratch. And in AP Physics 2, one example of something cool that we do is we build a flashlight in AP Physics 2. For the AP Physics 2, it's not just any old standard flashlight, that would be too easy. We require them to have multiple settings so it can get brighter, brighter, and brightest. And we want to be able to focus the light. And so they'll have to, part of the curriculum in AP Physics 2 is lenses and mirrors. And so they need to design their own way of focusing that light so it can spread out or get narrower for the beam. So those are just a few of the examples that we do in our classes of, interesting labs and activities. It will be a fun and interesting class. They'll be in front of me every day, and I love coming to work every day. And so hopefully my energy for physics is contagious. I think if you asked anybody, any of my students would say, yes, Mr. Estevez loves physics, and it's pretty clear. So hopefully that's contagious, and it shows itself in my student body. So hopefully you've got a pretty good idea of what it's like to be in AP Physics at West Shore by now. I encourage you to take the course. I encourage you to think about the pros and cons of taking all the AP offerings at West Shore. We really do have spectacular teachers, but we have even better students. And so you'll just be surrounded by wonderful individuals in our courses. So please take AP Physics if it's the right course for you. I look forward to meeting you next year.